What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Memories by Maroon 5. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I will double backflip kick your eyes off of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, the first thing you need to know about this song is that it is played a half step down. I'm currently in standard tuning, but the song itself, if you want to play along to it, the correct tuning is a half step down, so you're just going to tune every single string on your guitar down a half step. I do have the guitar tab for this song in the video description, and it will have the correct tuning on it. I just don't like tuning my guitar all crazy because I'm learning a bunch of different songs all the time, and so I don't, if I keep tuning my guitar, I'm going to go through a bunch of strings. So the correct tuning is half a step down, and you're only using a few different chords, so if you need the guitar tab or the chord diagrams, you can find them in the video description. The chord diagrams are in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's got a lot of useful information in there for you guys. It's got all the major chord diagrams. If you need either of those, jump into the video description. For now, we're going to start with you're starting with a C major chord. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then we're going to go G major. You don't need to do the full G, you can just do 3, 2 on E and A, but the full chord is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Then we're going to go A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Then we're going to go E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And the final chord you need to know is going to be an F major. You can play it as a bar chord, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, or you can do it in this song. I believe I'm doing the bar chord, so that's how you do it. But you can do it with your thumb grabbing the low E string right there. It's still the same. It's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, but instead of barring it, you can just grab the low E with your thumb there. Now we'll jump into the picking pattern. This just repeats throughout the entire song. You're going to start with that C major chord. You're going to pluck the A string, your D string, and then I'm doing G and B at the same time with my ring finger is plucking my B string, my middle finger is plucking my G string, and my index finger is on my D string. And then as soon as you pluck the B and the G, you mute it. Then you go to your G chord and you pluck the E string with your thumb. Then you're going to your G chord and you're plucking the E string with your thumb. Same thing with your index finger, the D string, and then same thing with your middle and your ring finger, the G and B at the same time. So go to that A minor chord, you're plucking the A with your thumb again, same thing with your index and your middle and your ring finger. Then that E minor, same thing as, the only thing that's different about your E minor is that you're plucking your index is going to be plucking the A string, your middle finger is going to be plucking the D string, and your ring finger is going to be plucking the G string. This is the first time that has changed throughout the song. So the A minor, again, A minor is A with your thumb, D with your index, G with your middle, B with your ring. Then your E minor is E with your thumb, index is on A, middle's on D, ring finger's on G. Then go to your F chord. You're doing the same, you're plucking the same exact ways you just did your E minor. Thumb on low E, index on A, middle on D, ring on G. Then go to that C chord, pluck it the same way you did before. Go back to the F, pluck it the same way you just did. Then go to your G and pluck it the same way that you did in the beginning. So that part looks So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this all together very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Again, if you need the guitar tab, you can download it in the description below. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook. I'm going to play it very slowly so you can see it. Here's how it looks. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.